What's up, YouTube? Once again, you're in the kitchen with Paul. We're doing something a little bit different today. I got a request from a Steven down in Winston-Salem, and he asked me to put a sangria recipe on my channel because it being the holiday weekend, if you want to sip on something responsibly, then you should have a nice recipe for a sangria. You can sit out in the backyard, you can sip on it while you're listening to a little nice music. So that's what we're doing today. Sangria in the kitchen with Paul. Alright, YouTube, these are our ingredients for the sangria. Of course, you're going to need a pitcher to put it in. You're going to need a measuring cup to measure how much you have to put in there. You're going to have some pineapple mango juice. The company that makes this, they're not giving me any money, so I'm not giving their name out. You want a sweet red wine. Sweet red wine that you can put in there. You want some coconut rum. You want some peach schnapps. And you want some triple sec. Now, my daughter, she doesn't do orange juice, so we use the triple sec instead that gives you the orange flavored liqueur. So, let's get started. Very simple recipe. We're going to go with 2 cups triple sec. That out the way so you can't see what brand that is. You're gonna go with 2 cups of peach schnapps. Get that out the way so you don't see what brand that is. We're gonna put this into our pitcher. Two cups of our coconut rum. And once again, it's a simple recipe. 2, 2, 2, 4, and 4. That's all you got to remember. 2, 2, 2, 4, and 4. So 2 cups of triple sec, 2 cups of peach schnapps, 2 cups of coconut rum. And now we're going to get our juice in there. You want 4 cups of juice. Starting to shape up, right? And we get our sweet red wine. I can finally say it now. You'd think I was drinking a little bit earlier, but I wasn't. We're going to go 4 cups of our sweet red wine. Pour this in. And that's it. Take your spoon. Stir that up. Throw some ice cubes in there. I'm gonna give it a shot. Hold on. Got a few pieces of ice, a few cubes of ice. Put that on the ice. And that's your sangria. Let's check it out. Let's try the sangria out. Oh boy, that's delicious. That's nice. You just sit out on the back porch, on your back patio. Got a nice breeze going. You got some music playing. You know, a little Mary J. Blige, little Alicia Keys, little Anita Baker. I don't know, maybe you like some jazz. Maybe you want some Dave Brubeck Quartet. It's all up to you. But you get this, you get your music, you get a nice comfortable chair on your back patio, and you're doing something. Fantastic. All right. Listen, once again, you've been in the kitchen with Paul. Please, if you enjoy what you just saw, give me a thumbs up. Write a comment down in the comment section below. I've launched a new recipe blog. The blog itself is going to be in the comment section. There's going to be a link to it. I'm in the process of putting all of my recipes into that blog that have coinciding recipes on the YouTube channel. So what I'm doing right now, that's under construction, and once that's done, you'll be able to just click the link in the comment section. It'll go straight to the recipe blog, and you'll see all of the recipes there on the blog. Search out the one that you want, and you're right there. You're home free. No problems at all. 3 things that I want to tell you. Number 1, always keep God first in your life. Number 2, love your family. And number 3, love yourself. You've been in the kitchen with Paul. I'm Paul. Peace, y'all.